Where are my cookies? I'm here to talk to you today about cookies. And now, not these cookies, but internet cookies. The kind of cookie you leave every time you visit a website. These are called web cookies, internet cookies, browser cookies, but what they are is a little trail that you leave every time you visit a website so that an advertiser can find you. Kind of like the story of Hansel and Gretel. You know, the two crazy kids went into the woods and they left a trail, crumpled up some cookies just like this, and everywhere they went, they could at least follow the trail back. Just get them out of the woods, but it was a way to navigate. And that's what a cookie does, is it helps an advertiser navigate to find the prospects that are looking for their product. And so it used to be an easy thing to do with third-party data. You know, you'd go to a website now and you see a sign that says, accept all cookies, all right? And we know what that means, is you're now saying, I want to be advertised to. Privacy laws are changing all of that right now, and it means you have to switch from a third-party data strategy to a first-party data strategy. Perfect example, Google is phasing out third-party data. Apple's pretty much already done it. If you're on an iPhone or any kind of an Apple device, you have to opt in to receive the data, right? So how many people would rather opt out than opt in? You know, it's easier to just opt out of something, but people to opt in and consciously say, I want to be served an ad, I mean, it's changing the whole landscape for us advertisers. So what can you do as a dealer to change this? If you haven't already opted in for your own first-party data strategy, you need to start doing it now. And by first-party data, I mean data you collect from your website and from your CRM, your customer base. You need to use that to the best of its ability. If you're not already doing it right now, you can use it to power your social media strategy. You can feed a list of your customers and prospects into Facebook, match them up, find a lookalike audience, and serve ads to them. You can really enhance your email strategy. Like right now, most of our clients here at Blue Gorilla Digital, we're sending anywhere from 6 to 10 emails a month out to our dealers because the ROI is off the charts. And if you're not doing it and you're serving one sales ad and one service ad and that's it for the month, you're missing the boat. Amp up your email strategy, your digital strategy, your programmatic digital, OTT, digital pre-roll, video pre-roll, digital display ads. You can do the same thing with addressable data and serve ads to those people on that list and virtually eliminate almost all the waste that you have associated with your traditional advertising. So if you haven't started amping up your first-party digital strategy, you need to do it now. You know why? All the cookies are going away.